Alright, in this lesson we'll be able to multiply and divide integers. Multiply and divide integers. Now, again, pause the video at any time you need to and write down the things that I'm saying, and you need to take notes on not only what I write down, but also what I'm verbally saying to you in your notes. The rules for multiplying and dividing integers are different. They're different rules from adding and subtracting, so you got to be careful. It just takes a lot of practice, I guess, and understanding what's going on to keep them separated. But it's really important that you don't confuse those two. Good news is multiplying and dividing integer rules, I think, are a little bit easier. So let's just go ahead and get started. When multiplying or dividing integers, the way that you know the sign of your answer is basically the same rules for multiplying and dividing, and that's this: a positive times a positive equals a positive. Okay, same thing. A positive divided by a positive gives a positive. A let's do this. A negative times a negative. Oops. A negative times a negative gives you a positive, and a negative divided by a negative gives you a positive. Okay, and then a positive times a negative is a negative, and a negative times a positive is a negative. And same thing again for division. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. So maybe you've already been able to figure out what the similarities are. If you're multiplying or dividing integers and the signs are the same, the answer is positive. So positive times positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Same signs, the answer is positive. If the signs are opposite, one's positive, one's negative, and you're multiplying and dividing, the answer is going to be negative. So same signs, multiplying, dividing, same sides, the answer is positive. Multiplying, dividing, different signs or opposite signs, the answer is negative. We'll just do a few quick examples. 5 times 2, 10. Positive times a positive. Okay, here we go. Negative 6 times negative 7, negative times a negative equals a positive. They're both the same side. That's a positive 42. Same thing I said, same thing as for division. 40 divided by 8 equals positive 5. Positive divided by a positive equals a positive. And let's see. Well, here's an interesting one. Negative 81 divided by negative 9 gives you negative divided by a negative gives you a positive 9. Let's do some opposites. 3 times 6, 3 times negative 6 equals opposite signs, negative answer. Negative 18. Let's do, I don't know, negative 7 times 4. Opposite signs, answer will be negative. Okay, same thing with division. 56 divided by -7 equals -8. And let's see, last but not least, 48 divided by, -48 divided by 6 equals -8. Okay, so there you go. All right. Here's an easy summary for you. When multiplying and dividing integers, if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. If the signs are opposite, the answer is negative. All right, that's it. Short video. Have a good day.